Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing this backdrop with printed colorless board and we'll include the sequin panels. I've attached all the links where I bought the things, so check the links. Today we'll be using the insulation panel, we'll be using the sequin panels, and we'll be using the gardening wire. So using hot glue gun, I'm gluing a small acrylic sheet at the back of the insulation panel. This will prevent the wires from cutting through the insulation panel when I tie them at the end. So this is very important. You need to make sure that your wire does not, because you're reusing this over and over again. It's not a one use only, so you need to make sure that it's secure and the wires don't go through the insulation panel. So when you finish preparing the board, it's now time for you to put in the sequin panels. So the sequin panels has 4 holes. That's where you put the nails. So we'll be using nails to secure this sequin panel to the insulation board. So all you have to do is take the nail and put it in the 4 holes. You don't need to use all the 4 holes. Use what I only do 2 on the top. That's it. So you just secure them, pushing the holes to secure. As you can see that we are using the board, so you don't need to fill the whole board because we are using the printed boards. You don't need to fill the whole insulation board with the sequin panels. We are only filling the sides that the printed board is not covering. So the middle will leave it. You are just filling the sides and the top. So the middle will not fill it. We'll just stick the printed board to the insulation panel. I'm just placing the sequin panels on the insulation board to make sure that when I put the nails, I'm putting them right, because sometimes you can turn it the other way and it will not look nice. Make sure that all the sequin are facing one direction. It's not upside down. So that's what I'm doing there. Before I put the nails, I need to place it on the insulation board so that I know that it's correct. Here I'm just putting the nails. All you have to do is just put the nail it to the insulation board. Using the gardening wires that we tied earlier to the insulation board, so we'll be tying the insulation board to the pipe and drape poles. That's how we will secure the poles, and then that's it. We stick the printed colorless board to the parts that we did not put the sequin, then that's it. That's the backdrop done. Then just attach the balloons and that's it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.